Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day One. It is most certainly the most wonderful time of the year, don't you agree? I absolutely love watching Vlogmas and I love doing Vlogmas, so I'm really excited and I hope you are too. Okay, so firstly the plan, because I am a very busy bee this year. I wasn't quite as busy with stuff last year. If any of you have been watching recently, you will know that I've just taken on a job, part-time in retail, fun. It's really okay. So I do that part-time. I also have just recently managed to pick up some more social media work as well, so I'm very, very busy. Apart from Sundays, yay! Today is Sunday. I'm absolutely so thrilled that December the 1st has fallen on a Sunday, because it means I can go full tilt today. There's Miss Rogue. Rogie! So yes, the plan, I'm probably not going to be able to do it every single day because it will kill me, which I didn't do last year anyway. I did it every few days, which I think is probably going to be the best course of action this year as well. So apart from having the break that I've done recently, which was not planned, yeah, because I didn't do every day last year either. I did every few days, which I think is probably a good plan for this year as well for Vlogmas. I've already got 4 videos on the go because I'm hoping to do videos in between as well, like normal videos, because that's one thing that I kind of lost track on last year. So what I'm planning to do is my normal vlog upload, apart from the last few weeks because it's been weird, Wednesday and then Sunday I think going to be Vlogmas days. I think those are good days, like midweek and then on a Sunday. So I've already got a vlog that's not a Vlogmas vlog, but it's a Christmassy vlog to go out on Wednesday. I've got a haul today, and then I've got a clean video, a Christmas cleaning video, and a decorating the tree. Spoiler alert, although the video will probably have gone up by now, so it's probably not a spoiler. So I've got those on the go. I'm hoping to do some filming today, and then Liam's away Tuesday, overnight and all of Wednesday, so obviously I'll have some work to do, but I'm hoping to maximise on that time with filming and editing. So anyway, that's boring. So Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas, Rogie. You're about to get really excited, Rogie, based on previous years. So you can see it just there. Oh, I thought so. We've got this. What is it? What is it? Is it a present? You want to open it already? Here comes Simba. You want to have a look? Can you stop chewing the corner? Simba wants to have a look. Get out of the way. Let Simba have a look. Oh no, he's not interested now. Sit down then. Sit down. Oh, I remember this. I remember this from last year. No, hey! Come on. Sit down. Sit down. And then I might open it so we can see. Say hello, Simba. Oh, come on. Rogie. Right, wait there. I want you to be involved in the excitement, but I can't do it with you messing like that. So we've got to open it on the side. And pull it out, I think she said. I know you like to help with the opening, but pull, Rosie, pull. I can't remember if I actually said, this is an advent calendar that my sister's made. So I did her one last year, and the year before that she did one for me, and it's become somewhat of a tradition. So that's what this is. I can't remember if I'm so tired, I can't remember if I said that's what it was. Anyway. Lift it. Oh, I've put a hole in the tissue. Put a hole in the tissue. Okay. Oh! Oh, that's sweet. Oh, I don't know if it all focused really well. But it's like this tote thing. This tote box thing. It says sister. A loyal best friend for life. Player of dress up. Teller of stories. Keeper of secrets. Oh, that is so cute. And the inside is even more adorable. There's a tag on it, but I'm not sure where it's from. I will ask her in case I can link it, because that would be a really nice hamper container for Christmas. But look at this. How cute is that? I'm gonna have to take a photo. BRB. So, I need to find number 1. That's 15. Can you find number 1, Rogie? Try not to wet all the tissue with your nose. No, I've got to find the one. The actual one, because it's the first. I've got to find it, darling. You have to give me a chance. Right, we'll continue the search, but you've got to be good, Rogie. I think that's it. I think this is the one. I'll put these back. I think it's safe to say that this is going to be kept in another room, because there's no way she's going to leave it alone. But we found number 1. Yes, we found number 1, Rogie. And Shan said this year it's going to be a beauty and skincare advent calendar. Yes, yes. Last time she did being like a mostly like crafty and stationery one. This year she's done a beauty and skincare one. Yes, yes, yes. So we're trying to open this one very gently though. Thank you. That's nice. That's nice. Come on then. Ooh, good girl. It's open, look. Ooh, this is a Real Techniques beauty blending sponge. Wait, miracle complexion sponge. Ooh, that's nice. This is a terrible place to film really because of the windows, but I have been just finishing up some editing and uploading the first video of the festive season, which is going out this evening. So you may have already seen it by the time you see this. And it is my Poundland and Wilko Christmas decor haul. So that's good. I also had a notification from Asda to say that something I ordered during Black Friday has arrived for collection. So I'm thinking about going to get that before they close. Because otherwise I'm probably not going to be able to get it till Wednesday, and that's just not on. Hi, so yeah, I went to Asda like I said before. I did take my camera, but it was just so busy, and the bedding that I ordered for some reason came in 2 boxes, which I wasn't prepared for. So I had like one under my arm and one in a shopping bag, so I couldn't really hold my camera very well. But I just wanted to show you what I got. So I ordered on Black Friday, and I got some brushed cotton bedding, so a sheet and some pillowcases. I'm really excited, in a very festive red, to go with a duvet. And the story is, the one I originally wanted sold out. I had it in my basket, but I was working from home at the time and obviously got distracted with that, and well, it sold out online. So anyway, I went today to pick up the one I did get, which I'm going to show you in a minute. You know, the suspension, you know what I mean? And not only did they have the one I originally wanted and the cushion I originally wanted, which I didn't end up getting because it sold out, the duvet cover that I did get, the bedding set that I did get, had been put in the sale for cheaper than I got it for Black Friday. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit salty about it. So I can't decide what to do. Anyway, this is it. This is the one I went for. It's this. I don't want to ruin it too much because I haven't decided whether or not I want to keep it. But it's got the peas in the pod, the carrots and the sprouts, and then the reverse is, if I can just show you that. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but it's red with little white outlines of the little sprout. I think it's really cute. The other one was a bit more grown up. It was basically white with really cute little illustrations of Christmas trees. So I don't know now whether to return it. I don't know whether to return it or to keep it. My sister loves it. Because when I get paid, I could always get another bedding set, don't tell Liam. Of one that, because I do kind of like it now I can see it, but maybe I'll do an Instagram poll. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I got. So I've got a video fully edited and ready to go for tomorrow, which is the cleaning one. I'm actually really happy with it. When I was watching back some of the clips, I wasn't sure whether I liked it. because I was like, oh, look a bit, you know, because I hadn't planned it as a video. I've got like no makeup on pretty much for most of the video. And I'm wearing my pajamas and I was like, do I look really frumpy just going around doing the cleaning? But hey ho, I'm happy with how it turned out, and that's exporting now. So I'm gonna end today's portion of this vlog now, because I'm pretty much gonna be getting ready for and going to bed, because I have a full day of work tomorrow out of the house. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. That wasn't very good. See you tomorrow. Bye. Can you stop licking in the background? It's not very cozy and atmospheric for the first Vlogmas videos, hearing you licking. Hello. Oh, I think we're out of focus a bit there. Hiya. Focus. Hiya.